Hello, I'm Roger McLean, and we're bringing you a special assignment. A while ago, experts found a way to travel back to the dinosaur era through this patented time travel machine. I recently brought a camera back in time to catch them in action, but things didn't turn out as planned. I came back to the present, but as you'll see shortly, the camera was left behind. Our team had to conduct an extensive search in order to find the camera and what had been recorded several thousand years ago. Here's the footage that we were able to retrieve. For obvious reasons, no real dinosaur interactions with people have been documented until now. I'm set up, and all I have to do is step inside and we'll bring you back to view real dinosaurs. Are you ready? I am. Let's go! Man, that was interesting! Whoa, look! There's a T-Rex! Would you look at it? It's amazing! Oh, something has caught his attention. I wonder what that is. It looks so powerful running this way. Quick! Back to the time machine!